and the motherboard. So let's start our discussion with the motherboard. What is a motherboard? Motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer which connects not only the processor but all the memory devices that are included in the CPU or in the computer. It also enables the traveling of and movement of data from the CPU to the memory and other input and output devices that we have connected to the computer. For example, a graphics card, which is an expansion card, which is used to boost graphics by providing them extra processing power to the GPU, is also connected to the motherboard. Similarly, motherboard can be seen as a device that enables the interconnectivity of all the devices within the computer. All the input and output devices that we connect a computer to is connected to the help of the motherboard. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printers, USB flash drive, CD-ROM drive, hard disk drive, CPU, RAM, power supply. All the components of the computer are interconnected to this motherboard. So this concludes our Unit 3.1. Thank you very much. We will see you in Unit 3.2.